Hey guys!
Are you ready to celebrate your moms?
If you're not, we've got the perfect recipe for you. It's called Mother's Day Diffuser Blend, and it makes the perfect gift to give to your mom for Mother's Day, and maybe even pair it with our flower diffuser.
So let's check out how we can make it.
Alright, so we are going to pull out our monthly recipe box. We're going to find our recipe card and labels. And this recipe uses lemon, marjoram, and Lady's Choice Essential Oil Blend.
And from your big bonus box, so that you can make the gift and have something to keep it in, you'll grab your 5 milliliter bottle.
And from your home, you'll want to grab a diffuser like our adorable flower diffuser. Let's make it. For this diffuser blend, we are going to use 3 drops of lemon, 1 drop of marjoram,
and 2 drops of Lady's Choice.
So this little flower diffuser is a great way to diffuse in a small space, like an office, because it works through evaporation. It doesn't push the essential oil into the air to spread around the room. It'll just be a localized aroma, so great for a small space, and also very beautiful. And it smells beautiful as well. So to make your master blend of this,
you'll need 48 drops of lemon, 16 drops of marjoram, and 32 drops of Lady's Choice. And don't forget your label.
To get everything you need to make this wonderful diffuser blend, check out our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button to get all the recipes you need for your perfect Mother's Day.
You'll learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching.
Let's make it.
Jeez.